Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about how to fix this page isn't available right now on Facebook. So guys, if you're facing this problem on your Facebook here, I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and here I will give you some possible solutions to fix this problem. So the very first solution is that make it sure that you are using a proper internet connection in your device and there is no problem with your internet connection. So as make it sure the internet connection is working properly, and after this go for the next solution, that is you will have to make it sure that the page which you are trying right now is not deleted from the other side. So as if it is deleted from the other side, you will not be able to reach this page again. So as after this go for the other solution. If it doesn't work, that is you will have to make it sure that there is no connected VPN in your device. So as for that, open your settings and from here scroll it below and tap on general, and from here scroll it below and tap on VPN and device management. So guys, from here disconnect the connected VPN if there is any connected VPN in your device. So I disconnect it, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if you are still facing this problem, then go for the other solution, that is you will have to open up your settings again and from here scroll it below and tap on general. So as from here scroll it below and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and from here tap on reset, and from here tap on reset network settings. So as from here you will have to simply enter your passcode to reset network settings in your device. So guys, simply reset your network settings in your device and hopefully this problem will be fixed in your Facebook and you will be able to reach the page again. So guys, in this way you can easily fix this problem in your device. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.